How to play Wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. Firstly, on your device, open the Fantasy Premier League app. After the app opens, you will see an interface like this. Now about the Wildcard, you can only use that feature twice a year. So make sure that you are using it on the right time. From the bottom panel, click on Fantasy and you will land here. At the top, click on Transfer. Now inside Transfer, at the top you will see different kind of sections. There you will also see the option of Wildcard. If you have Wildcard available, then you can use it, but unfortunately for me it's unavailable. To use your Wildcard, click on Add Player at the bottom. Now transfer any one of these player. Now select a player from the ground with whom you would like to transfer. Now click on Next. Now if you have a wildcard available, then at the bottom there will be an option called Active Wildcard. You can simply click on that to transfer them. And if it's not available, then you can simply click on Confirm to confirm the transfer. So this is how you can play Wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. That's all for today. Thank you.